Two types of Techstyle trim kits are available: fixture trim flange to support a cut panel, and fixture trim reveal for aesthetics only. 12-foot single trim pieces are also available for individual purchase. The fixture trim flange is only used to support a cut panel. The corners of Techstyle trim kits are engineered with a box notch for installation. Certainty does not recommend field mitering of its trim kits. Install the long sides first. To find out more, visit certainty.com/Techstyle.